everyone, my name is Nurul Insania Fitri binti Zulkifli Lubez.
And I'm Fatin Aina Shahira.
And I'm the last one, Nur Insyirah Kamilia.
We're gonna talk about Louvre Pyramid in Paris. Next, we're gonna talk about Louvre Pyramid in Paris. Next, we're gonna talk. IMP designed the pyramid in a way where the visitors would enter the pyramid and descend into the spacious lobby and then make their way into the main loft. Francois Mitterrand, President of France, select the Chinese-American architect IMP as the architect of the Louvre Pyramid in 1983. Now, let's talk about fun fact of Louvre Pyramid. Louvre Pyramid was IMP vision to have total transparency in the pyramid glass. Considering the faint blushing or greenish tint that glass holds, the mission to create a crystal clear glass was a big challenge. Was IMP vision to have total transparency in the pyramid glass. Considering the faint blushing or greenish tint that glass holds, the mission to create a crystal clear glass was a big challenge. Was IMP vision to have total transparency in the pyramid glass. Considering the faint blushing or greenish tint that glass holds, the mission to create a crystal clear glass was a big challenge.
Hello guys, I'm Aina. So here I like to present how to calculate the volume of the Louvre Pyramid. First and foremost, the volume of the pyramid is calculated as 1/3 multiplied by the base and then multiplied by the height. We all know that the height of the pyramid is 21.6 meter and the base area is 34 multiplied by the 34. So 1/3 multiplied by 34 multiplied by 34 multiplied by 31.6 meter is equals to 8,323.2 meter. Next, I'm going to calculate the surface area of the Louvre Pyramid. But first, we need to find the slang height of the pyramid. The Pythagoras theorem can be used to calculate the slang height, which state that the square of the length of the hypotenuse equals to sum of the square of the length of the other two sides. As a result, slang height equals to square root of 31.6 square plus 17 square, which equals to 27.4875 meter.
Now, let's move on to the history of volleyball. Game played by two teams, usually of 6 players, on a side in which the players use their hands to bat a ball back and forth over a high net, trying to make the ball touch the court within the opponent playing area before it can be returned. The original rules were written by Morgan and printed in the first edition of Official Handbook of Athletic League of the Young Men's Christian Association in North American 1987. Athletic. The game soon proved to have wide appeal for both sizes in schools, playgrounds, the armed force, and other organizations in the United States. In 1960, rules were issued jointly by the YMCA and the National Collegiate Athletic Association (NCAA). The first nationwide tournament in the United States was conducted by the National YMCA Physical Education Committee in New York City in 1922.
It can say the shape of the court is rectangle. First, I want to calculate the perimeter of the court. Perimeter is length plus width plus length plus width. 18 for the length and 9 for the width. So it will be 18 plus 9 plus 18 plus 9 equal to 54 cm. Next, I want to calculate the area of the court. Area for rectangle is length multiply width. So it will be 18 multiply 9 equal to 169 cm square. So now we have the volleyball net. The shape of the net same as the court, which is rectangle. The length of the net is 10.97 meter, and for the width is 1 meter. For the perimeter, we can calculate all the sides, which are 10.97 plus 1 plus 10.97 plus 1 equal to 23.94 meter. So next, we can find the area of the net, which is 10.97 multiply 1, and the final answer we get 10.97 meters square. Next, the ball of volleyball. The ball we can say it is sphere. Now, we want to continue the calculation of the ball. Firstly, we have a ball with a radius 10.35 cm. We start from the circumference. The circumference of the ball, we use formula 2 pi r. So, 2 multiply 22 per 7 multiply 10.35 cm equals to 65.06 cm. For the surface area, we use formula 4 pi r square equals 4 multiply 22 per 7 multiply 10.35 square equals to 1346.68 cm square. For the volume, we use 4 per 3 pi r cubic. So 4 per 3 multiply 22 per 7 multiply 10.35 cubic equals to 4646.06 cm cubic. And lastly, for the cross-section area, which is circle shape, we use the area of the circle. So formula of the circle area is pi r square. So 22 per 7 multiply 10.35 square equals to 336.67 cm square. You are the cousin that you for me.
Through the application of geometry, we should appreciate type of creation that people have made because each of them has its uniqueness and special features. It can be inferred that geometry solids can be found everywhere, such as in our homes, schools, malls, foods, and many more. But we do not practice them until we are used to recognize them.